gubernamentales sobre la posible negociación.
Given North Korea's current and emerging capabilities and its extremely provocative rhetoric and actions, it has come to pose an urgent and unpredictable threat to the United States, allies, and partners. Consequently, the NPR reaffirms that North Korea's illicit nuclear program must be completely, verifiably, and irreversibly eliminated.
The United Nations should not keep blind eye to the U.S. dangerous game of aggravating situation and driving the whole world into the possible disaster of nuclear war.